Okay, ladies and gentlemen, lot 125B, this is a big monster hydraulic lathe. Can't seem to find the manufacturer. Is made kind of on the themes of the TOS lathes. Big chunk on there, big long bed. Steady rest. Here's the tool carriage. I want to convert this over. They were using this for grinding big, long urethane rolls. So once again, not a whole lot of stress on this machine. Tailstock. Here's the saddle. I think this is a 42-inch lathe. All right, let's see if we can give it a roll. This is a hydraulic lathe. We're not going to engage the carriage because we don't have much work room here. Cost you $100 grand to replace this one. Buy it at auction.